For the last few years, keto diet is very well known as weight loss diet plan, where carbohydrate is almost cut off from main diet and instead of carbohydrate, fat-rich foods are taken mostly. In the keto diet, animal fats like fish, seafood, eggs, meat, poultry are included, and animal fats like non-starchy vegetables, fruits, seeds, nuts, high-fat dairy products, olive oil, and other oils are included. But recently, research has come on keto diet, and it is revealed that keto diet is linked to serious heart attacks and stroke. As because low carbohydrate and fat rich diet could increase the level of bad cholesterol in the blood, which leads to dangerous cardiovascular problems, a new study finds. According to the new study, bad cholesterol blocks the arteries and increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. When one stops of consumption of taking carbohydrates totally, like rice, bread, pasta, noodle, then the body starts to use its own stored fat as fuel. Though it can help people to lose their body weight, but on the other hand, it increases the risk of heart attacks as it increases the LDL cholesterol in the blood. So, if you are a strict follower of ketogenic diet, avoiding rice, breads totally from your food, you must do it under the suggestion of professional physician. Otherwise, it could lead to a sudden heart attack. You are watching Be Learner to Prosper. Please subscribe this channel to get another important videos regarding your health and hygiene, because this channel provides you good tips to be healthy and disease-free life. Please like this video, also share this video as an important health message of our society. And if you have any queries regarding health, hygiene, beauty or weight loss, please write down in the comment box. Thank you.